Hi everyone. I wanted to go through my explanation on this one assignment and identifying something specific in my course. And the two things that I want to focus on in my course is the use of group experiences. I think having very small learning groups where they present information is very important. And I think having the ability to create that information and present it to the class with a way to build rapport with students, build, gain that information, build it with other students, and then try to provide a framework. How does this set up? How did I get to this information? And have students interact off of that. Another thing I want to utilize is the use of WebEx, and I think that's a great way to hold office hours, hold incentives to actually understand the information. And I think those are two great tools that I'm going to be utilizing in my course to really push along the DTP framework. And I think this will enhance the classroom experience because students will be able to have the chance to utilize information and interact with the information as well.